Pangalawa, if you guys are top right course, the next thing to do to have a prolific college life in terms of academic affairs, family relations, and time management would be, you need to have smarter goals. Okay? Well, smarter has two functions. Smarter at the word itself to describe goals, and secondly, it is actually an acronym. It stands for something. Kung sinabi smarter, kayo po ba ay mayroong notebook? Where you guys record and take down notes? Okay, if you don't have notebooks with you, just try to remember this. Smarter actually stands for something. S stands for specific. Can you visualize that? Say specific. So your goal must be specific. Ano ba yung sabihin specific? Let me give you an example then. Sinabing specific, Sir Michael, my specific goal is to become summa cum laude. By the way guys, I'm also a communication coach, so as early as now, I would like to correct your pronunciation for the Filipinos typical pronunciation of that. That word is actually summa cum laude. Okay? Can everyone say summa cum laude? There. It's all Filipino pronunciation. Alright, well, commercial lang yun. Okay? So for example, the goal mo is, I want to become a summa cum laude. Is it specific or not? Yes, specific. Next. M. M stands for, it has to be measurable. Teka, paano natin gagawin measurable yung gusto kong maging summa cum laude after 4 years? For something to be measurable, involve numbers. So, di ba para maging summa cum laude? Ano ang requirement para maging summa cum laude? Kailangan nag-grade ko pagka-graduate ko ng college ay not one and hindi na ako updated eh. Pero I can speak under correction and 1.15 or 1.18 around that. Hindi ko na maalala. Yun yung standard at our time eh. Hindi ko na to yung pinaka-standard na yun. Okay? So yun ang measurable. So kailangan pag-graduate ka between flat 1 and 1.18. Kaya ba yun? Sisiyo ba yun? Kaya na lang. Siyempre kaya na yan. Next! A. Okay, sabi, your goal has to be attainable or achievable. Now, ask yourselves this question. Attainable ba yung flat 1 or hanggang 1.18? Siyempre, yung tension mo, oo. Kasi kung nagpapagdagang ko sa sarili nyo, wala pa nangyari sa inyo. Okay? You guys still with me? Okay, next. What is R? Okay, there. Well, the beginning version yan. Results oriented, meron relevant, meron realistic. Okay. Whatever it is for you, good. Not that will why results oriented. Next, ano yung T? Write down. So at what point in time mo kailangan ma-achieve yun? Before ka graduate, before year of course 20, bago graduate ng 4th year, 5 years and bago graduate na 5th year college. Teka, so mayroon ano yung E at ano yung R? Kasi familiar na kami sa SMART eh. Hindi lang alam ko ano yung smarter. So guys, not sure kung may inyo pala marinig ko, pero ang ibig sabihin ng E is you can evaluate it. Kasi guys, hindi lang tayo perfecto. Minsan, talo tayo, pero alam ko, maybe we realize that we are doing or going on a wrong path. So, our goal must be evaluated. Meaning, kailangan, pwede natin siya evaluate at pwede natin siya correct or improve. That's what evaluate means. Are we clear? And last but not least, R stands for review. Kailangan, pwede mo siyang balik-balikan para makita mo yung progreso. Ano ba ang progreso ko? Ako ba'y nasa right track? O ako ba'y malayo pa sa aking goal na maging suma cum laude of an average grade of flat 1 or up to 1.18. Okay? So, briefly, that's what Smarter is.